Hello everyone, today I am going to explain the fourth problem of Leetcode Weekly contest 291, which is total appeal of a string. So the appeal of a string is the number of distinct characters found in the string. So we have to find the sum of appeal of every substring of the given string S. Okay. So let us take the example ABBCA and check how we can achieve that. So for ABBCA, this is the string. So for every string a b b, like there would be 6 into 5 by 2, like 15 strings. So for every string, this orange value will be the like number of distinct characters in the substring, and we have to find the sum of all these orange values, and that will be 28, which is our desired answer. So let us check out how we can achieve that. So let us take this example only and find out what is exactly happening in the process. Okay. So let's say this is the case ABBCA. So for every string starting from A, we'll go to A B. Like for for every prefix, we are trying to find the answer. So f of A will be what? F of A will be nothing but count of A. Count of A is nothing but the number of distinct, like this orange value, number of distinct characters in this string. Okay. And f of A will be what? F of A will be the like sum of orange values, like sum of all the distinct characters in all the substring, which is our desired answer only. Okay, so f of A is nothing but count of A, and f of AB will be what? F of AB will be f of A, like f of A plus count of B plus count of AB. So f of A will be 1 because count of A is 1. So f of A will be 1, and f of A will be AB will be f of A, like 1 plus count of B 1 plus count of AB 1, which is 4. Okay. Now f of ABB, we will take the thing from f of AB plus count of B 1 plus count of BB 1, count of ABB 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 4 plus 4 8. Okay. Now let us go to f of ABBC. F of ABBC will be f of ABB, which is 8, count of C 1, count of BC 2. So 8 plus 1 plus 2, so 9 11. This BBC will be what? 2 13, and this will be 3 16. Now f of ABBCA. So f of ABBC is 16 plus count of A 1 17, count of CA 2 19, count of BCA 3 22, count of BBCA 3 25, and count of ABBCA also 3. So it will be 28. Okay, so this is our desired answer. So you can check out that we are doing this for every prefix of ABBCA and how we are getting the answer. So let us check out that how we can functionalize this thing, like so you can easily find out that if we are iterating over the value from I equal to 0 to n, so f of for when we are at f of ab, so finding f of a is not that hard. It is exactly this value. Okay, this value. So this is not exactly that hard. So now we have to find out this thing, like for everything, for every prefix, we have to find the sum of every string, the count of sum of every string which is ending at this index. So like for this thing, we are finding the sum of what? A, AC, ACB, BCA, like BBCA and ABBCA. So you can check out that this thing is nothing but, these strings are nothing but the strings which are ending at the current index. Okay. For this C, you can also find that like C, CB, like BC, BBC and ABBC. So we have to find out this thing. Now let us check out how we can derive the sum of this. So we have to somehow derive this sum in order of 1 or order of log n, because we are iterating over the indexes, over the prefixes, like for every prefix from 1 to length we are iterating over it. So we have to somehow find this thing in order of 1. So I have found this thing in order of 1. So how we are doing it? So this like contains non, like non-distinct characters, because B repeats here and A also repeats here. So let us figure out how we can achieve it. So let us try to figure out some patterns. Okay. So let's say this thing. Let us find this count B plus count. So let us check this count A plus count CA plus count BCA plus count of BBCA plus count of ABBCA. So let us imagine. Okay, we have this thing count of C plus count of BC plus count of BBC plus count of ABBC. So this is already given to us. Okay, so from this, how we can get this. Okay, so let us think. So let's say this c value will be this count of ca. This thing will be added to this bca, this thing will be added to this bbca, and this thing will be added to this abbca. So you can check out is that we are count of c plus count of bc plus count of bbc plus count of abbc. These four things is added here. So this is nothing but, let's say this value is given like g. Okay, so this thing, let's say this thing is let's say h. So h is this thing g plus a is added to like a is the last character and this is added to 5 times. So g plus 5, h is nothing but g plus 5. So 5 is what? 5 is the prefix value, like what is our current index. Okay, so our current index is 5, so that's why h equals to g plus 5. Okay, so one thing is that this is not exactly g plus 5. I have mistaken. Why? Because abbca, so in the string abbca, a will not be added. You can check out is that a is the like count is the number of distinct characters. So we are adding 1 to it, like this contains only 1a. Count ca, this contains only 1a, so 1 will be added to it. And count of bca, 1 will also be added to it. Count of bbca, it will not contain any a, so 1 will be added to it. But count of abbca, so abbc already contains a in it, so when we are adding a to it, so it will not affect the count value. So h is not equals to g plus 5, h is equal to g plus 4. Okay, so what exactly we are doing? So what I have already told is that like current value h is g plus I. So this is not exactly right value. So h is not equals to g plus I. h is equals to h is equals to g plus I minus previous index of s of I. Okay, that is the our case. So h is equals to g plus I minus previous index of s of I. So like previous index of s of I is 1 and our current index is 5. So h is equals to g plus 5 minus 1, which is 4. So I think you got it. This is the right answer. H is equals to g plus 4. So you can see is that how we are adding this f of abb plus if we already stored the value of h. So let's say we have stored the value of h now, and now in the next iteration when we are going for I, so I will be nothing but h plus current index minus previous of s of current index. So I will now show you my code and I will explain every line of my code. I think you will easily understand. If you still have any doubt, you can please ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer. Okay, so n is the length of s, like s is the given string, and d is the map. D is nothing but the previous index, so we can replace d by prev. Okay, so let me replace this so for your clear understanding. hmm. So what we are doing in this loop is that answer our current answer value, answer is nothing but we can you can do it like in the dpoa like dpi. So I am not storing the value of dp in the answer because it will increase the space complexity. So answer equals to answer plus last value is nothing but h or g what we are storing. So answer equals to last plus I minus previous of si comma minus 1. I think you will get it easily. That is the thing we are adding to our current answer, and we are incrementing the value of last, like last value which is a g or h or I, what I have already told. This is nothing but last plus I minus previous. I think you are already understand that g, if the g is the previous last value, now we are incrementing the last to I minus previous of si. Okay, at the end we are trying to store the previous of the current index, the later the current index to I, and at the end we are returning the answer. I hope you have got the explanation. If you have still any doubt, you can always ask in the comment section. If you are benefited from the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.